What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video what we're gonna do is gonna review the Zoho CRM. So Zoho CRM is a powerful tool for the businesses looking for an affordable future rich CRM solution. Though there may be some trade-offs in terms of customization and support at lower price tiers, because they come with a different sort of plans which comes with different sort of functionality and options. You can go with the four sort of plans right here. One is standard, the other one is professional, then enterprise, and then the ultimate one. Every single plan comes with separate bundle of features and functions, and you guys can go through it by just going through this. Okay, so all the essentials are mentioned right over here. So other than that, I'm just going to tell you about the Zoho pros and cons and what are some major features that they are giving you guys. So the pros are the user-friendly interface. As you guys can know that Zoho has a very user-friendly sort of interface for the people that use it, and it is really integratable with the other softwares as well. So Zoho CRMs offer an intuitive and customizable dashboard, making it easy to navigate. Automation features: it automates key processes like lead assignment, follow-ups, and email marketing. Zoho CRM integrates well within a wide range of third-party applications, including Google Workspace, MailChimp, and social media platforms. So as you guys can see that the pricing is very affordable as compared to the other competitors in the market right now. As you guys can see that this is monthly plans for a single user for the Zoho CRM. So the cons are a little bit sort of a different things. So which is obviously a learning curve. So first thing is learning curve. While user friendly, some advanced feature may require time to masters. But also for the CRM dashboard there are sort of a customization limitations as well in this software. So advanced customization options may be limited in lower pricing range. Support response time: some users report delay in the receiving support or assistance from the customer services team. So this is a complete review for the beginners if you're looking forward to get into the Zoho CRM. By the way, I would suggest you guys that is a good option with a lot of customizable things that you can do in the dashboard. Plus, the pricing is very affordable as compared to the other competitors. So I will really suggest you guys to go with it. And this is pretty much it for the review. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.